ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves as we delve into the latest developments shaking the very foundation of the American political landscape. President Donald Trump's approval ratings have taken a significant hit, reaching unprecedented lows in his second term. According to a recent Navigator Research poll conducted between April 3 to 7, only 44% of Americans approve of Trump's performance, while a staggering 53% disapprove, marking a net approval of -9 points. This represents a sharp decline from previous months, signaling growing discontent among the populace. But what's fueling this dramatic downturn? The answer lies in the controversial Liberation Day tariffs unveiled by the president. On April 9, 2025, these sweeping tariffs took effect, imposing a baseline 10% duty on imports from 185 countries, with significantly higher rates targeting nations like China, the European Union, and India. China, facing a total tariff of 104%, retaliated fiercely, escalating the trade war to new heights. The economic repercussions were immediate and severe. Wall Street experienced a tumultuous downturn, with the S&P and Nasdaq composite plummeting over and nearly year-to-date, respectively. Market analysts drew parallels to the infamous 1987 and Black Monday, warning of a potential repeat if tensions persist. Business Insider, in the face of mounting criticism, President Trump remained defiant, asserting that these measures are necessary to rectify long-standing trade imbalances. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent echoed this sentiment, revealing that the U.S. has initiated 70 tariff-related negotiations with foreign governments, aiming to recalibrate trade relationships in America's favor. New York Post, however, economic experts are sounding the alarm. Goldman Sachs has raised the probability of a U.S. recession to 45%, citing the disruptive impact of the tariffs on global trade and domestic growth. The investment bank also slashed GDP growth forecasts, anticipating a slowdown in economic activity. Public sentiment mirrors these concerns. Morning Consult's latest poll indicates that 53% of voters believe Republicans in Congress should act as a check on Trump's tariff policies, reflecting bipartisan apprehension about the administration's economic direction. As the nation grapples with these developments, the question remains, can the administration navigate these turbulent waters and restore confidence in its economic stewardship? The coming weeks will be critical in determining the trajectory of both the economy and President Trump's political capital.